Have you been following the latest buzz on essential oils and the many health benefits that we get if we use them regularly? Well, if you have, you may be considering trying them out for yourself, but you're unsure which ones to use and how to use them correctly. Now, it's important to know that the latest science is indicating that the quality and purity of the specific oil that you use is more important to the therapeutic qualities than we even initially thought. Now, I am so confident that doTERRA essential oils are the purest and most therapeutic on the market that I'm going to send you a free sample of 3 of the most versatile and top-selling oils that we carry. Now, included in your free sample will be lavender oil, known for its soothing qualities and promotes relaxation and provides a peaceful environment for a restful night's sleep. We're also including lemon oil. Lemon is one of the most versatile and top-selling oils due to the cleansing, purifying, and invigorating properties. And peppermint oil, when ingested, promotes healthy respiratory function and digestive health. I am so excited to offer you these life-enhancing oils. All I ask is that you cover a shipping cost of $3 and then allow me to follow up with you once you've had a chance to try these oils for yourself. All you have to do is click on the link and request your free oils and a free usage guide. Now, if you have any questions about how these oils can enhance your life specifically, please don't hesitate to comment, and I would love to connect with you. In the meantime, thank you once again for the opportunity, and please have a great day.